Hey YouTube, welcome to the Phil Studio. Today is a great day because we're going to take a look at the top 3 gadgets I've invented so far. Some of you know I have invented tons of product, prototype, gadget in PCBs during my life as a lit inventor. Most of them I haven't shown to the world. Today we'll take a quick look at my 3 personal favorites. Number 3.
The multidimensional air quality sensor.
The multi-dimensional air quality sensor, highly inspired by Rick Sanchez's portal gun. This one is really cool. 4 gas sensor, a digital thermometer, plus 2 Hall effect sensors to detect high level magnetic field. This scanner is directly out of a sci-fi movie. Despite its cool-looking appearance, this project taught me a lot about Arduino and how to structure a code. The LCD is constantly updating the value of the 4-gas sensor, a really cool device. $72,000. Number 2.
The Brainstormer.
The Brainstormer. During my most nerdy phase, I am craving for inspiration. And to this day, I'll still use this device a few times a week. As soon as I need an idea for something, I start generating words. Again, this project pushed me beyond what I thought I was capable of. I dove deep into coding in Arduino, learning things I never expected. Check this out. For example, this is a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer turned into a scrolling wheel. So I've mapped the value of the analog sensor into my different menus. That's clever. I know it. So this gadget is nerdy and perfect for everyone who needs an alternative to endless scrolling. Before we present the first position, there's a special mention. I never showed that project on my channel, but I feel it deserves a high five. It's adding a lot of ambience to my living room and is fairly simple. I call it my polar light because it creates a nice effect on the ceiling and it's quite relaxing, and also it was fairly easy to build. Number 1.
The Pentaphonic microphone.
The Pentaphonic microphone. This is a revolution in the world of microphone, but it didn't receive the attention it deserved. Make sure you watch the whole process of designing this gadget, as it took nearly a year to complete. Also, the sound is amazing. By the way, I still have 4 PCB left of the Pentaphonic microphone. If anybody's interested, name your price. I know I have already presented these gadgets in the past on my channel, and it might be a nice idea to maybe present all the product I never showed you, all the 3D print I made, all the PCB I never showed on this channel, and the custom prototype that are sleeping or just collecting dust in this lab. So let me know in the comment if you're interested in seeing all of this. And again, thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one.
Son, how do you push stop on that?